Life can be demanding, isn't it? And sometimes the biggest struggle is just being kind to ourselves. It's easy to get stuck in a negative loop, and you probably talk to yourself more harshly than you would ever talk to a friend. Let's change that, shall we? In this video, we will dive into a session with 50 powerful affirmations to gently rewire your thinking and kickstart your day with strength and resilience. Repeat the affirmations to replace those old, worn-out negative thoughts with fresh, empowering beliefs. Ready? Let's go! I'm a survivor and a warrior. I'm patient with myself during times of change. I accept challenges as part of my journey. I am flexible and flow with the rhythm of life. I turn my wounds into wisdom. I have the wisdom to choose my battles wisely. I am powerful beyond measure. I stand firm in my personal power. I am protected and safe. I can endure discomfort for a greater reward. I am rebuilding myself stronger than before. I am doing my best, and that is all I can do. I choose hope over despair. I have the willpower to achieve my goals. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire. I'm a beacon of light and strength. I'm capable of self-mastery. I trust my body and mind to support me. I am forging my own path forward. I give myself permission to rest, which renews my strength. I am brave enough to keep going. I am learning and evolving every single day. I am determined and will not give up on myself. I am in control of my reactions, not my circumstances. I am filled with unlimited energy and vitality. I'm grounded and centered no matter the storm. I trust the timing of my life and stay strong. I'm calm under pressure. I'm confident in my ability to persevere. I release what doesn't serve me and retain my strength. I'm surrounded by support and love. I celebrate my small victories and progress. I am unbreakable. My resolve is firm and my spirit is bright. I move forward with determination and grace. I learn valuable lessons from every experience. I am the architect of my powerful life. I am filled with unwavering faith in myself. I cherish the strength I've earned. I choose persistence today. I am stronger than any challenge I face. I am resilient and I bounce back quickly. I have the courage to face my fears. I am capable of handling anything that comes my way. I trust my ability to adapt and overcome. I draw strength from my inner power. I'm not defined by my setbacks. I'm defined by my comeback. My past experiences have made me tougher. I choose to see difficulties as opportunities for growth. I possess unshakable inner peace.